has a 1 in 4 hit rate.
Yeah. So ours, that's why it'll only let it fire when it's completely happy. It's down to the success rate.
Yeah,
So
ours locks the firing pin the same way.
I was seeing 3 boxes.
Yeah.
I wish we could just for that, but again, someone in an ops room can just go, we give them longitude, latitude, they send us back an MGRS, we sort of think like, show what we're doing, do we DF it with mortar, do we like give it, yeah.
I think they're better, yeah. I do.
The implementation with these night is what range.
Well, ours is around 300 metres, because it's the same as that rifle. But again, so it's the speed.
And then you see your voltage bottom left.
Yeah, battery.
Should be about
3.80.
bit more power, There you go. Yeah, that's 3.0. Maybe you can't go as far as up.
No, it's down.